You know, when you buy furniture from IKEA and it's cheap, sometimes it's because it's like pressed bits of wood. It's not full wood. So this has to be glued somehow together and it smells. If you stay around this is a small table. If you stay around and 1 meter around, after a couple of minutes, you are going to notice that smell. It's kind of annoying in the long term. I got this, you can get this from anywhere, even dollar store has this countertop kind of sticker to change the color of the countertop or stuff like this. Is really cheap. I'm going to glue it over that smelly surface here. Doesn't have to be perfect because this is hidden away. It's usually underneath. Maybe use a cutter, just trim it off. But this totally, I did try to smell again. It's cutting the smell 100%. So it's yeah, it happens to many furniture in IKEA stores. Maybe sometimes you can use paint with a roller, but that's very risky. So you mess everything. I think this sticker sounds much easier to apply, and it really completely cuts the smell. It's really annoying after a while. Not right away. I do actually like a little bit. The smell brings me some memories, but after a while, when you sit nearby a table like this or an item like this, you will just, it's just too much, right? That's much.